I sold my trailer and then I sold my ramp, so I had to borrow a ramp. I hope it will be strong enough to hold the Trabi, and I hope the Trabant will fit. What do you think? Will the Trabant fit in there? Let's see. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. I sold our TRABINO. I'm happy and I'm sad, but also I sold my trailer. Very sad. I thought I won't need it. I need it for my car business. The car business is gone. I thought I won't need the trailer anymore. If I need one, I can borrow one. Well, the one I was able to borrow had a flat tire, no registration, no lights, and I have to go to Pensacola. It's a 7 hours drive. So I got this. I hope it will be strong enough to hold the Trabi, and I hope the Trabant will fit. What do you think? Will the Trabant fit in there? Let's see. Should be fine. Let me see the other side again. You're the man. So our TRABINO started up when I got here, but it wouldn't start up when I wanted to put in a trailer. It's the starter problem. I'm giving a new starter with the car. Anyways, it's in, it's secured. Let's go to Pensacola. Looks like I'm taking a lizard and a frog to Pensacola. Froggy and a lizard baby. Baby lizard. We're about to leave. Slight rain. Typical Florida summer weather. Beautiful. Couldn't pick a better time to leave, but it's okay. It shouldn't last long. Let's go. Let's go to Pensacola, Florida, Pensacola. Good morning guys. Last night was tough. It was raining pretty much all the way. There is a tropical storm. It's coming to Florida. We drove till 2 o'clock in the morning, took a little nap in this beautiful place. Not so beautiful. And we have about 150 miles left. So let's go. Alright, good deal. 30 gallon, 90 bucks. Let's go. Okay, so we got here. We got TRABINO in there still. I'm going to unload her.
You mind just helping us roll it out real quick? You do? Sorry about that.
So it's really tight on the side. It looks like it's a little bit of angle. It really has to be straight to come out. So we just want to control the speed of coming down on the ramp. And as soon as I can't reach the... I might stay in to steer it, okay?
Yeah, I got you.
They're gonna go on the tracks, right?
Yeah. It's close on this side, Joe. It's close on this side. The handle's on the door.
It's touching?
Yeah, just the handle.
Go forward. You have a little bit of here.
Okay, yeah. Go back in.
And, better?
Just a little bit more. The handle's just
We're getting
touching.
really close over
Give it a
here.
little bit forward.
I think it should be.
Forward.
I think it's good on this side now.
It's close on this side. It's very
Little
close.
bit forward.
Go forward.
Yeah, here, hold on, I push it.
Now the handle
you
over
go.
here. Now the handle over here.
Good?
It's good on this side.
Okay, it just clears it on the handle.
Yeah, slow it
As
down.
long as we get the handles out, then we're good.
Yeah, it's coming out. Maybe. Hold on, there you go.
Still good on this side.
Alright.
There we go.
For a second here. So took out Trabino for a little ride. It went well, all good. Gonna sign papers, get paid, and go. Bye bye, Trabino. We love you. You're gonna be in a good home. Take care. Bye bye. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Another day. This one's a little bit nicer than yesterday. What do you say now? We're going to the beach?
Yeah,
Yay!
we're Mac, and I have been surviving this plant.
Maya, one more time.
Hi.
That house is full of money. Full of money. Only 100. It's only 100. Ask me again how hot it is in Florida. Fucking 100 degrees. We're back again, same gas station, same price. We stayed there the other night. Oh, but I think that this time $63.